A transformer, no, not that one, or that one, is an architecture that was developed by Google in 2016 as an improvement over the older machine translation, think English to Spanish software. All sources used will be in the description below. Previously, on LLMs, RNNs, recurrent neural networks, suffer from two major problems that made large neural networks all but impossible to train: the vanishing and exploding gradient problem. As we know, LLMs tokenize things, aka turn the input into a matrix. Think linear algebra. Well, not think, it is linear algebra. Get good. Then, to improve that AI, you want to make changes to said matrices. Both of these issues occur during backpropagation, which is just a fancy way of saying training LLMs in reverse. But with the vanishing gradient problem, the changes were so small that effectively nothing happened. Think 0.00001 is equal to 0 at some point. Or the exploding gradient problem, which makes such large changes that it can cause oscillation and significant deviations in RNNs, making training, or more accurately, like focusing in on the, let's call it the right number, impossible. If you're interested in a deeper dive into these topics, the Geeks for Geeks site a lot more information that I left out or glossed over. In the landmark research paper, Attention is All You Need, the paper introduced a new deep learning architecture dubbed the Transformer that utilized the attention mechanism, which was itself proposed by a neural machine translations by jointly learning to align and translate from a research team located in Argentina. The attention mechanism fixed the vanishing and exploding gradient problem. Let's break it down. The attention mechanism puts a weight on a particular part of the input that tells the language model to prioritize this part, also probably a word, and and it's the foundation of the transformer architecture. It allows the neural network to more effectively deal with complex relations. Very simply, they added another matrix that holds weights for the importance of words in a sentence. The attention mechanism is probably the magic sauce in between each of the current models of AI, whether you've got a Claude the Crab or a Gemini the jeweled Jeep, don't ask questions. The cost of this new transformer architecture is a computation time that is quadratic in the size of the size of the context windows compared to RNNs. The attention mechanism matrix is the square of the input. Yeah, that's a lot. That's a lot. That's a very big matrix compared to what you're inputting. The transformer architecture is a significant bump in RAM requirements over RNN, but it did come with the added bonus that you can multi-thread it, which is why GPUs are primarily used for training AI, because you get lots and lots of threads. To summarize, transformers modernized neural networks and made them more effective at forming relational bonds that connect our language, making them far more realistic than they have ever been in the past, thus thrusting us into this AI revolution. Here's a fun tidbit. I lied earlier. Google's team was named Team Transformer, and that was named after the famous movie franchise bearing the same name. Join me next time when we talk about AI hallucinations, model degradation, and the Ouroboros effect.